In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove these vertical lines session breaks in Tradingview. If you've ever opened a chart and noticed thin vertical lines slicing up your price action, those are session breaks. They mark the start and end of trading sessions, which can be helpful for some analyses, but distracting if you just want a clean view. The good news is they're easy to hide, and doing so won't change your data, time frame, or indicators. This is purely a visual preference. Start with your chart open and make sure you are clicking on the background, not on a candle, indicator, or drawing. Right-click directly on an empty area of the chart background. This brings up a quick menu with options specific to how your chart looks and behaves. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens the Chart Settings window, where Tradingview groups most appearance and behavior options. If the menu looks a little different based on your version or theme, don't worry, the Settings option is still what you want. Inside the Settings window, look for either the Events tab or the Symbol tab. Some layouts place session-related toggles under Events, while others keep them under Symbol. You'll usually find these tabs listed along the left side or across the top of the window. Take a moment to click through until you see the option labeled Session Breaks. Once you've located Session Breaks, simply uncheck the box next to it. As soon as you do, those vertical session markers will disappear from the chart area. This change is immediate and reversible, so if you decide later you want them back, you can return to the same checkbox and turn them on again. Remember, hiding session breaks is great for minimizing visual noise, especially on intraday charts where those lines can appear frequently. To confirm the change, click OK or Apply. Apply will keep the settings window open so you can continue adjusting other preferences if you'd like, while OK saves your change and closes the window. After that, your chart should look cleaner, making it easier to focus on price action, indicators, and key levels without the extra dividers. Quick recap: right-click on the chart background. Choose Settings, go to the Events or Symbol tab. Uncheck Session Breaks and then click OK or Apply. Tradingview typically remembers this choice for your chart layout, so you won't have to repeat it every time. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.